Welcome back. In this tutorial we'll be looking at animating our slide. To do that you'll need to go to your tabs and click on the Animation tab, which will bring up your ribbon. Click on the Custom Animation icon and it'll bring up the dialog box on the right hand side of your screen. If you notice, you actually can't access any of the features at the moment, and that's because you haven't selected anything on your slide. Select the title, syllable slayer, and immediately you now have access to the Add Effect button. Click on the list arrow and go to Entrance to go down to More Effects. If you notice, the dialog box will actually come up, but it covers the work that you're wanting to see. So if you click on the title section and hold down the left mouse button and move it to either the right or the left, you'll be able to see what the animation looks like on your slide. I always suggest to students that this is a good time to have a little bit of a play and actually see what you can do. So usually if you just click on those, you can then watch what happens. And there's more options as you scroll down. Color typewriter one. Fold. Look at things like a whip. So this gives you a good idea of the different animations that you can actually use. This, I'll just use whip. You can choose whichever one you prefer. When you've actually made your selection, just click OK. Since you've made your selection, you've now actually have it being shown in your working area in the dialog box. Now this is where you can actually change it. If you notice, there's a mouse there at the moment, so it will only actually happen when you click the left mouse button. To change it to automatic, go to the list down arrow and select Start with Previous. And you can now see you've got a speed of very fast, so if you actually click on that, and you can change that to slow, medium, and it'll give you an idea of what it looks like immediately. You can do the same now. Select the word by, add the effect, and it's good if you keep the same effect because it gets a little bit overwhelming at times. So whichever one you chose for the first one, now do for this. Again, if you have a look, it's only on the mouse click. You want to now make that automatic. This time click after previous because you don't want this starting with your title. Select your name and do the same there. And again, make it automatic and maybe change the speed that it comes in. Okay, to preview your work, you can click on play. You might think this is too slow. That's up to you. You can go and change it at any time. And if you're happy with this, of course, save your work. If you want to see it as a slideshow, use the button down here. So just click. And to end that, you can just right mouse click and then click on End Show. And now you've started doing your animation. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch up with you next time.